Before I get into today's video, make sure you stay to the very end because I'm going to give you an update on the Flyby guys and what we're doing for the rest of the year. So stay tuned. So in this video, we are now going to be talking about one of the most popular questions that I get asked when I'm doing discussions and talking to education and also organizations, and that is, how do I become a good drone pilot? Well, this is something that we're going to talk about right now. So the most important question that we get asked when we're doing discussions at education establishments or organizations, and that is, how do I become a good drone pilot? And this is a very, very good question and something that we are looking for all the time in our pilots. And the one thing that we're looking for in drone pilots is muscle memory. Muscle memory is the act of doing something over and over and over again in repetition to the point that it becomes part of your subconscious. When you have muscle memory, you have the ability to get out of situations very quickly without even thinking about it. And that is a much more safer way to fly. So when you're using all the smart features at the beginning, you become reliant on that. And that is not a good way to fly at the beginning because you don't really understand how to fly properly because you're relying on all the smart features. Fly manually. Do all these kind of features, the point of interest, do it manually. Do the follow me, learn how to do it. If you want to get into film production and doing lots of filming with your drone, you will have to do this manually because the production directors and the producers, they will want you to do things manually because they will not want you to do things with any of the smart features because it won't suit what they're wanting to do. So learn to fly manually, fly it on your own, feel that drone when you're flying it. That's the best way to do it. I hope this was helpful. Start getting some muscle memory into your flying every day and you will become a much better pilot. Trust me. I hope this was helpful. See you next time and fly safe. Great, you're still here. Okay, so just to give you an update on the Flyby guys. It's now the end of October and we're now coming into November and we're all on our travels. We're on our way to a long trip. We're going long drone operations, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also you can follow us on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below because I will do daily diaries on Instagram stories for you, and the things you're going to see are going to be very, very cool. We start our trip by going to France. We're heading to France, and then after that, well, you'll just have to find out where we're off to. So we'll see you then, and we look forward to sharing everything with you.